Today we are here at the Bird Festival. Birding is a growing hobby and we were learning about the 600 different species of birds, including the ones that migrate. Sadly, the flamingo has passed away. When we gave it to the Belize Bird Center after it got food and water, it finally got relaxed, fell asleep, and never woke up. But the good news is we will be able to see it again. Maybe not alive. Don't be scared to go out there and find new birds. Be smart and don't take it for granted. Keep it unbelizeable. I hope you have an unbelizeable adventure while you're out there too.
Believe me, for me, being part of this festival for the first time in my life as a birder, learn a lot about almost a bit of everything. First of all, when I was growing, you know, we used to build slingshots and kill the little birds, but actually we don't have no mind and we don't have no idea what we are doing. But now with the time growing on, I learned that every species in this world have a special role.
Unbelizeable Bird Fest 2024.